Hello everyone! Just about the title of this video, you may be happy because Cuphead, and this is an unboxing, and you know, it's a type of three videos, like we're gonna put hand inside Cuphead! And here he is. So this is a review, unboxing, and the tails, and my it looks just like him in the game. Doesn't have the finger guns, but who cares? I mean, who really does care? And his straw looks awesome. It looks the best. It's the best Cuphead plush I've seen. And the tag, here, let me show you the tag. It has Cuphead and the devil, and Cuphead don't deal with the devil, collectible plush. And this plush looks adorable. It's one of the best Cuphead plushes I've ever seen, and well, the only one I've ever seen. So this video is a three-parter. Well, not a three-parter, but 3 videos at once. So, and this is, the last one was the unboxing. This one was now the review. And well, this plush is adorable. So Funko, you did a good job on this one. Can't say the same thing for your Blacklight plushies because the Blacklight FNAF plushies are just a cash grab from Funko. So, but this plush is adorable. So I highly recommend it. So if you're on eBay wanting to spend a few $12, I highly recommend this Cuphead plush. And now it's time for the Tails Tommy plush I have. Stay right there, people. Yes, the rare boy. Yes, you've seen this guy in a couple of my videos already, in the background or whatnot, but I've had him for a very long time. He was my buddy and he's my favorite. So, and he's by Tommy. We cut off that tag because we like to do that for more realistic boys. And yeah, this Tails plush is very rare and I respect. Well, can't wait. And the little announcement for a second. I will be getting a bootleg Tails plush that I will also unbox and review on this channel. Thank you for watching. See ya!